Welcome back to CyberInsider. If you're watching this, you probably love your Amazon Firestick. It's one of the most powerful, compact streaming devices on the planet, turning any TV into a smart entertainment hub. But here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're using your Firestick without a VPN, you're driving a sports car in first gear. You're likely dealing with annoying buffering, blocked content that you can't watch because of where you live, and frankly, your internet service provider is probably watching everything you stream. Today, we're going to fix that. We've tested a massive range of VPNs to find the absolute best ones specifically for Fire TV and Firestick. We aren't just looking for names you recognize. We tested for dedicated apps in the Amazon store, raw speed to prevent buffering, and the ability to crack open libraries from Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime from anywhere in the world. We're going to break down the top 5 contenders that actually deliver on their promises, including some incredible discounts that we have found for you. Let's dive in. Before we get to the rankings, let's briefly touch on why this matters. You might think a VPN is just techie overkill, but for a Firestick user, it's actually a necessity for 3 main reasons. First one, geo-blocking. We've all seen that error message saying this content is not available in your region. A VPN changes your IP address, tricking apps into thinking you're in a different country, instantly unlocking thousands of new movies and shows. The second is ISP throttling. Have you ever noticed your internet slows down right when you start streaming a high-definition movie in the evening? That is often your internet service provider deliberately slowing you down to save bandwidth. A VPN encrypts your traffic, hiding your activity so your ISP doesn't know you're streaming, meaning they can't throttle you. And finally, privacy. Your ISP and third parties can track what you watch. A VPN secures that data. Plus, if you use apps like Kodi, a VPN is essential to keep your legal standing secure by anonymizing your connection. So how did we rank these? We didn't just pick names out of a hat. We had strict criteria. Number 1, the VPN had to have a dedicated native app on the Amazon App Store. You shouldn't have to hack your device just to install security. Number 2, performance. We measured speeds to ensure 4K streaming without the wheel of death, buffering. Number 3, unblocking power. It needs to work with Netflix, Prime, Disney Plus, and more. And finally, price and value. We looked for the best bang for your buck. Let's start with our number 1 pick, and frankly the heavyweight champion of our tests, NordVPN. Based in Panama, NordVPN is a powerhouse that ticks every single box. It is the best overall VPN for Firestick, because it combines blazing fast speeds with an incredibly secure and easy-to-use app. Let's talk speed. In our testing, on a high-speed line, NordVPN clocked in at a staggering 903 megabits per second. This is largely thanks to their NordLynx protocol, which is built around WireGuard. What does that mean for you? It means you can stream 4K Ultra HD content without a single buffer. It's the fastest VPN we've ever tested. The app itself is fantastic. You can download it directly from the Amazon store, and once you log in, you're greeted with a clean interface where you can connect instantly. But what's under the hood is even more impressive. NordVPN runs on over 7,600 RAM-only servers across 165 locations. RAM-only means the servers have no hard drives. If they're powered down, all the data is wiped instantly. That is a massive win for privacy. Feature-wise, you get Threat Protection Pro to block ads and malware. And for privacy purists, they offer double VPN servers, which encrypt your traffic twice. They also have obfuscated servers, which are perfect if you're trying to hide the fact that you're using a VPN at all. Very useful in restricted networks. Regarding streaming, NordVPN easily unblocks over 15 different Netflix regions, BBC iPlayer, and Hulu. As for the price, we have a link in the description that gets you a 70% discount on a 2-year plan, bringing the cost down to just $3.39 a month. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's risk-free to try. Next up is a veteran in the game, IPVanish. This provider is based in the USA and has long been a favorite among Firestick and Kodi users. Why? Because it's incredibly reliable and consistently fast. IPVanish offers a very robust network with over 3,200 servers in more than 75 locations. In our speed tests, it was right on NordVPN's heels, hitting 829 megabits per second. That is more than enough for any streaming needs you have. But where IPVanish really shines is the user experience on the Firestick remote. The app interface is intuitive, featuring a quick connect option that automatically finds the best servers for you based on load and location. A standout feature here is the kill switch. IPVanish is one of the few VPNs that actually includes a functioning kill switch in their Fire TV app. If your VPN connection drops for even a second, it cuts your internet access to prevent your real IP from leaking. This is crucial for privacy. They also own their entire infrastructure rather than renting it, which helps with speedy issue resolution. For streaming, it easily handles Netflix and Amazon Prime, bypassing those tough geo restrictions. Plus, if you're into torrenting or peer-to-peer, IPVanish supports this fully with a strict no-logs policy. The deal we found is excellent. You can grab the 76% discount, which drops the 2-year plan to around $2.99 per month. This is a steal for the performance you get. Moving on to our third pick, we have Surfshark. If you're looking to save money without sacrificing quality, this is the one for you. Based in the Netherlands, Surfshark has rapidly become one of the most popular VPNs in the world because it offers premium features at a budget price. Let's talk about the biggest selling point beyond the price: unmetered connections. While most VPNs limit you to 5 or 6 devices, Surfshark lets you connect your Firestick, your phone, your laptop, and your entire family's devices all in one account. Performance-wise, it's no slouch. Using the WireGuard protocol, we saw speeds up to 752 megabits per second. It's fast enough that you won't notice it running in the background. The Firestick app is sleek and includes a feature called Clean Web, which blocks ads, trackers, and malware before they even load. Surfshark also offers a camouflage mode, which makes your VPN traffic look like regular internet traffic, helping you bypass strict firewalls. They have over 3,200 servers in 100 countries, giving you a massive range of libraries to unlock. It also includes dynamic multi-hop, letting you route your traffic through 2 specific countries of your choice. The price is the real winner here. With our 87% coupon, you can get the 2-year plan for just $1.99 a month. Plus, you often get extra months for free. For a fully audited, no-logs VPN, that value is unbeatable. Next, we have a newer addition to our top list, Proton VPN. Based in Switzerland, a country with some of the world's strongest privacy laws, Proton is for those who prioritize security alongside their streaming. Proton VPN boasts an absolutely massive network, over 15,000 servers in 122 countries. This huge number means servers are rarely overcrowded, keeping your speeds high. In our tests, their WireGuard implementation provided very fast connection speeds, easily handling Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. A unique feature here is the secure core architecture. This routes your traffic through privacy-friendly countries like Iceland or Switzerland before sending it to its final destination, adding a significant layer of protection against network attacks. They also have a built-in ad blocker called NetShield, which speeds up your browsing and streaming by stopping ads from loading. The app is easy to navigate on Fire TV, and it supports up to 10 simultaneous connections. One minor drawback is that their live chat support isn't 24/7. It operates during Swiss business hours, but the service is so stable you likely won't need it. We also have a 70% discount on the 2-year plan, bringing it to about $2.99 a month. If you want Swiss-grade privacy, this is the way to go. Finally, we have ExpressVPN. You've probably heard of them, and for good reason. They're based in the British Virgin Islands, and are famous for being incredibly user-friendly and reliable. ExpressVPN offers a network of over 3,000 servers in 105 countries. This wide country spread is great for finding very specific geo-blocked content. They use their own proprietary protocol called Lightway, which is designed to be lighter and faster than traditional protocols. In our testing on a Firestick, the performance was flawless, with the app suggesting the recommended server for the best speed. It uses robust AES-256 encryption and has been audited multiple times to confirm their no-logs policy. The app is minimalist and very easy to navigate with the Fire remote. You can switch protocols and servers right from the main screen. While ExpressVPN is often more expensive, we found a deal that brings the 2-year plan down to $2.79 per month, with our 78% discount, which makes it much more competitive than usual. It also comes with a 24/7 live chat support and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you picked a VPN. How do you actually use it? The good news is that because Fire TV runs a modified version of Android, it's super simple. Method 1 is the dedicated app method. Just go to the search bar on your Firestick home screen, type in the name of the VPN, say NordVPN or Surfshark, and download the official app. Open it, log in with your account details, and click Connect. That's it. You are now protected and ready to stream. Method 2 is for those who want to cover everything, the router method. If you install the VPN directly on your home router, every device connected to your Wi-Fi, including your Firestick, is automatically protected. This is great if you have a first-generation Firestick that might not support the newer apps. But for most of you, the dedicated app method is much easier and gives you more control to change locations on the fly. So to wrap this up, if you're using a Firestick or Fire TV, you really should be using a VPN. It unlocks a world of content, keeps your ISP out of your business, and stops throttling that in its tracks. For the best all-round experience, speed, and features, NordVPN is our top recommendation. If you want a specific focus on budget, Surfshark is incredible value. And if you want a simple, reliable interface with a kill switch, IPVanish is a solid contender. We have left links to all the best deals and discount codes we mentioned in the description below. Thanks for watching CyberInsider, stream safe, and we'll see you in the next video.